Dasha, what are you doing? It's flooding in Florida.
Oh my god, look at how deep it is.
Okay, drive the car through.
Oh my god.
We gotta go save people on paddle boards. Давай, Dasha, get in the car и проедь. So, since South Florida, Miami is 3 feet below sea level, every time there's a hard rain or a tropical storm like there is now, there's nowhere for the water to go, and it just floods and floods. So we're gonna go try paddleboard. Dasha's driving the Lexus through the water. Look at that. Look how deep it is. Dash, back up and go fast. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's see this truck. Yeah, you can surf off these waves. Look at that, deep puddles. This body of water is like connected to this body of water on the road. Looks like a flooded car being towed away over there. Wow. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Nowhere to go. Maybe I shouldn't be driving so fast. Caution, flooded area. Oh my goodness. I don't even know if I could get to where I want to go. Look at this. Oh yeah. Looks like a damaged car up ahead, flooded. That's a babe. Oh, there goes a car. Looks like a perfect street to go paddleboarding. So looks like that Mercedes SUV decided to go for it. But looks like a truck is stuck over there. Oh, they're pulling the car out. They're towing the car out. I think we'll make it. Just cars can't make it. It's right there where the cars are. The Mercedes is turning around. He decided not to go. The truck is coming though. Look at that. Yeah, these streets are flooded. Babe, should we really go paddleboarding in these streets? It looks like we can.
It looks like we can, but there are cars.
Look at that. The Mercedes coming back. Chickened out, huh, buddy?
Truck is coming though.
Truck is coming. Wow. It's a great day to go to the beach today. Yeah. Поплыли. Look at that. Wave maker, Mercedes, and Freightliner truck, huh? Yeah. And there's an SUV behind it. Kind of cool. Not something we see every day in sunny Florida, huh, Dasha? Yeah, look at these brave souls, huh? There's that flooded car. Been towed out. Poor car. Dasha's pulling in. We're deciding not to drive down the street to save our friend. We're gonna paddleboard there.
Okay, guess. Just guess what Serge wants to do. Just look at this, and look at this, and look at this, And guess what Search is trying to do?
Look at that flooded car. Flooded car number 2. Look at this.
Follow Search the car hauler for more crazy stuff he's doing.
Did you have to drive through that?
I tried to not drive through it. I tried to
Go
go here and just...
You got some water? No? Is it okay? We're gonna paddleboard over there. Wow, look at this, guys. These flooded cars are still in the street. Wow, look at that, the wake reaching the sidewalk. I mean, it's a good... Let's see how low I can go in this. It's above my ankles. I don't know. I'm afraid to go in this. Honda Ridgeline made it. Look at that. Here comes a semi truck. Semis have no problem. Oh my goodness. That's a wake. What? She made it so far. How low can you go? Look at the exhaust bubbling. It could make it. Honda CRV for the... It's gonna make it.
So, homeboy was telling me that working over the bridge was a way to keep up making it.
It's gonna make
Try
it.
that if not. So if it's too dangerous...
It made it. Yeah. All right, time to paddleboard. Let's go. Yeah, check it out. Stop sign, flooded. We're on the paddleboard. Floating down the river like a big brown log. Toot, toot. Check it out. Streets are rivers now. Мы на реке плывем. Спасать Андрея. Андрей, ну где ж ты? Даша готова спасти Андрея?
Да.
Ну чё, Андрей?
Спасательная операция была.
Да. Маленько спала уже вода.
Да, уже спала.
Один проехал огромный трактор с такими колесами.
Зеленый? Да, оттуда они. Да, я знаю.
Это что? Как это? Двойная?
Да.
Двойная защита называется.
Да. Садись, против ветра гребсти будешь. Yeah! Paddleboard to the rescue! Ambulance is headed this way. Look how high he is. Look how high the water is.
Надо куда-то прибиться, давай. Туда, к этой стороне.
Андрей, молчи и
Он
греби.
должен проехать.
Греби, я
Ты
сказал.
хочешь, чтобы он на нас наехал?
Да. Вон трак, снимай, как едет Даша. Впереди. Правила воды.
Это похоже на скорую помощь.
Греби, Андрей. Always available towing. Those are our friends. Always available towing. We meet again. How's it going, man? So less of it. $50, please, sir. The paddleboard rental isn't cheap these days. Ну как, Андрей, how's it feel to stand on dry land?
Резко вводишь камерой. Плавно, веди плавно, чтобы у меня голова перестала кружиться.
Wow, look at all the sand that disappeared at Dania Beach. Ah! Wow. Oh my goodness, Dasha, I just fell. Wow, this is insane. The tropical storm took away a lot of sand. Давай, babe. Давай. Опа. It's heavy. Couldn't catch it with one hand. Oh yeah. Что, дома распилим?
Challenge. You have to jump on this sand.
Jump up the step. Babe, get your shoes first.
Now it's your turn, babe.
Okay. With the coconut.
No, you don't have to. No. You just stepped on it, but you have to jump.
Oh, jump? Watch this. Woo!
Yeah, good job.
That's insane. It ended up being a beautiful sunset at the end of the day. Came back to that same deeper than that. Look at this. Someone's Bentley got buried today. Yikes.